Facts 4. The mysterious sound of Taos, the hum. In a city of Taos in New Mexico, some people hear a mysterious echo, a slight hum sound, day and night without stopping. This sound does not come from any device, and not everyone can hear it. Scientists investigated the place, but no reason was found. This voice still exists. Facts 5. The mystery of DNA. Junk code or something else. 98% of our DNA is such that science has not been able to understand its function till now. It was called junk DNA, but now patterns and signals are being found in it, as if it is a hidden code. Some scientists even believe that this code is older than human history and may be connected to a source far more intelligent than us.
Like and subscribe for the next part.